Hi everyone, today we are making some slime. These are blue foam balls. This is liquid activator. This is the mixing spoon. This is food coloring. And the two glue bottles. First, the glue goes in the bowl. Then the second glue goes in the bowl. Now we are going to add blue food coloring. Now we are going to add blue foam balls. That's very full. We are going to add the activator. We are now mixing the slime. Now I am using my hands to mix the slime. Look how pretty the slime is. So this is the end result of my slime. It's so beautiful. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!